Hello, my beautiful train wrecks. This is Jill.
And it's me, Tom.
And we're diamond painting with the Edwards family. And we finally are doing a thing. So this is a Make Market Diamond Art Sticker Kit. This has 6 stickers. And it is a blast from the past of our childhood. Lava lamps. Star. Is this the star from The More You Know? Remember that commercial,
So.
The More
Yeah.
You Know? And a cassette tape, roller skating, a disco ball, and a smiley face. So, let's break into it. So, let's see. That is all. So, okay, let's take a look. It all comes in this. And you get a toolkit. Oh! Let's see what's in the toolkit. Let's push that over real quick. You got baggies to put your spares. You have a pretty good gray diamond painting tray, which is awesome because we have a blue one as well. I have a tray that I use, and it's white, and it's the same size as this one. So if you can imagine white drills on white tray, I can use these 2 colors. Fabulous. A pen that already has your scrunchie on it so you don't have to fight putting it on. And you get a pot of blue wax with 2 discs in it. It comes with stickers. It also comes with directions if you're not familiar with how to do. They come with directions, and it looks like it's English and French, perhaps. Let's look at these diamonds. I think I'm noticing a special diamond. Take a look here. Let's get to the end of the train. I'm going to flip these backwards so you can see the colors. There is a very pretty purple, a lighter color purple, a black. Is that black? Does look like black. Does look like it. A steel gray. See, that looks like black. A steel gray, a lighter gray, an even lighter gray, a hot pink, medium pink, baby pink, dark green, a lighter green, an even lighter green, dark blue, baby blue, orange, yellow, like a, what color of blue is that? That's a certain color, and I don't remember. Another light blue, another pink, ooh, a very pretty purple, a blue, and we have 2 ABs. We have a white AB. See it shine in there? This is a silver AB. Fascinating. And let's look at our stickers. Here is the More You Know sticker. There is the cassette. And these are good size stickers. There's the happy face with the tongue sticking out. And the roller skate. Okay, Tom. What does this make you think of?
Melody.
Melody Skateland. That is where us Generation Xers learned how to skate and skated. Did you ever take any classes?
No.
I took trick skating classes. They were fun.
I just learned it on my own.
There is the disco ball, and I bet you this is where all the ABs are in. And of course the lava lamp. Did you have a lava lamp, Tom?
Nope.
I had one and it was purple. So that is a very small unboxing, and we will have the kitting up done very shortly, because we're going to do that because it seems like an awful big headache to get all of that stuff squeezed back into this little bitty bag. And this is at Michael's craft store. So with that, it's time for the next video. Let me grab the mouse. Come here, mouse.
Chaos begins.
The chaos begins. Let's see if it's awake. So we're going to do our normal. We'll say our closing, and we'll see. Love you guys. Hugs and kisses. Bye.
Bye.
Now, mouse is off. You know what that means, editor? Shaking the mouse, waking it up.
There it is. It's on the right time.
You'll have to pardon me if I'm not very enthusiastic. It's 12:30 in the morning. Gotta take my glasses off. Some of this. And this is kind of an optical illusion. It could be because I'm tired, but I swear sometimes it looks like there's a square in there. And it ended up shattering and I cannot speak. Shattering and breaking.